Breathing in mold isn't just a sneeze problem. It's a full-scale, microscopic invasion. These spores are like tiny airborne paratroopers, drifting deep into your airways where they bypass your body's natural filters. They dive straight into the delicate tissue where oxygen exchange happens. Acting like microscopic debris clogging up a complex biological machine. Your body tries to fight back, pumping out sticky mucus traps to snare the invaders so you can cough or sneeze them out. But the smallest spores are too stealthy. They anchor themselves deep inside, triggering massive inflammation and burning irritation. If you're exposed for too long, it's not just an allergy. It's a biological disaster that can lead to a full-blown infection. If the air smells musty, your lungs are already under attack. Check for mold before your body pays the price. Feeling breathless yet? Subscribe for more microscopic horrors.